A clean home makes every corner feel fresh, comfortable, and welcoming. Our carpet and upholstery cleaning and protection removes deep dirt, stains, and allergens, bringing life back to your home. With expert natural stone cleaning, sealing, and resurfacing, we restore the beauty and strength of your stone surfaces. From soap scum to hard water stains, our shower stall and tub surround cleaning and restoration makes your bathroom feel brand new again. Our tile and grout cleaning, sealing, and color sealing brings back the original color and protects it for years. Dirty concrete? Not anymore. Our concrete cleaning and sealing improves appearance and extends surface life. With professional recalking services, we seal gaps, prevent water damage, and keep your home protected. When every surface is clean, protected, and restored, your home truly shines. For professional cleaning and restoration you can trust, call 778-890-3325 or visit DunnDealHM.ca.